Was your Selenium code working the last time that you ran it, but today it just doesn't work for some reason, but you swear that nothing has changed? Well, I just might have a solution for you. Maybe. Check this out. Over at Visual Studio Code, I have my ChromeDriver exe here and my test Python file. If you want to know how I set this up, check out my install guide. Let me run my code and see what happens. We just saw the browser popped up and then died. Looks like there's an exception on line 2. Line 2 is where it's trying to launch the automation browser, and that's where it failed. The problem is that my ChromeDriver.exe is probably too old. Let's see what version it is. Down here at the terminal, I can do ChromeDriver.exe-v to find out what version it is. It's version 110. Let me see what version of Chrome I have installed on my system. I have version 116. In order for Selenium to work, the version of ChromeDriver has to match the version of Chrome that I have installed on my system. So the solution is to update the ChromeDriver.exe file. Let me go to the ChromeDriver download page. We can see that version 110 is very old. Let's try to update it. If you can find a version that matches your browser on the front page, then go ahead and download that. But it looks like from 115 and up, they publish it here. Let me right click on this link, open it. Scroll down to the stable section. Look for the ChromeDriver that matches my system. 116.5845. 116.5845. You can disregard the last set of numbers. This link is not clickable. I'm going to right click on it and try to go to that link. Looks like it went straight to download. Let me open that up. Here's the downloaded file. Let me open it. Let me open the folder that this is pointing to. This is the old one. This is the new one. I'll just rename the old one for now. I'll copy the new one into the folder. Go back to Visual Studio Code. Let me check the version. Okay, now we have 116. I'll launch the code again. And it works. Hey, let me know if this solved your problem or not. If it did, please consider subscribing. Thanks.